Situated within the 16 federal states of Germany, on the banks of the river Lech, the city of Augsburg boasts a population of approximately 300,000 residents, making it the third largest city in Bavaria, following Munich and Nuremberg. Founded by the Romans in 15 BC as Augusta Vindelicorum, Augsburg is one of Germany's oldest cities. Initially a significant Roman military camp, it later evolved into a thriving trading center during the Middle Ages. Augsburg holds a special connection to the famous Austrian composer Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. His father, Leopold Mozart, was born in Augsburg, and the family's home has been transformed into the Mozarteum Augsburg, a museum that honors their enduring legacy. Leopold is not the only notable resident. During the Baroque period, Augsburg was home to several notable watchmakers who made significant contributions to the field of horology. David Buschmann was a prominent watchmaker celebrated for his intricate and detailed watches, which were highly sought after during the 17th century. Johann Martin was renowned for his exceptional craftsmanship in pocket watches, sundials, and table clocks, significantly advancing the horological craft. Johann Ulrich Schniep, born around 1622, was a distinguished watchmaker, known for creating small gold objects ornamented with enamel and set with jewels, an extremely challenging and highly skilled craft. Nicholas Ragondas, the Younger, gained fame for his florid style of goldsmith work on watches. This highly decorative and intricate approach to watchmaking became popular between 1660 and 1680. During the same era, the Purrple Tower, originally built in 1989 as a watchtower, was transformed into a clock tower. After several renovations, it now stands at 230 feet tall and offers panoramic views from its observation deck. Adorned with a clock and featuring bells that chime at regular intervals, the tower remains a popular tourist attraction and a prominent landmark in Augsburg. Situated approximately 180 miles from the renowned Black Forest, Augsburg became home to several distinguished clockmakers during the Renaissance and Baroque periods. Hans Buschmann was known for creating some of the city's first intricate mechanical clocks. His works included ornate tower clocks and highly decorated wall clocks, often featuring elaborate dials and astronomical indicators. George Roll and Johann Reinhold, the late 1500s, were clockmakers and instrument makers famous for creating complex astronomical clocks and mechanical globes. Their work included features like automata and elaborate mechanical displays that demonstrated the motions of celestial bodies. Ulrich Schniep was a renowned clockmaker and mathematical instrument maker. He is best known for his portable sundials and astronomical clocks, which were highly innovative for their time. His work combined precision engineering with beautiful artistry, making his clocks highly sought after. Elias Kritschmer was a master clockmaker whose creations included elaborate long case clocks and table clocks. Augsburg's rich history of horology continues to inspire, with the legacy of its master watchmakers still evident in the city's spirit of craftsmanship. From the intricate designs of David Buschmann to the innovative astronomical clocks of Ulrich Schniep, Augsburg stands as a testament to the artistry and precision that once made it a hub for some of the world's finest timepieces.